Hi guys, it's Phil and we're back on day 7, step 8, and it's a wrap up for the week and this little project. So, making money with your product, 4 main ways. I'm going to share a 5th one which I think has got some mileage in it. So, straight to the point. Sell direct via Facebook groups, Instagram, SERPs, etc. I'm not a TikTok guy, as you may have guessed, but there may be some mileage there, I don't know. SERPs I love if you've got a particularly small niche or narrow niche or new topics. It's so easy still to get to the top of the SERPs. And if you want some advice about that, give me a shout and I'll give you some quick guidance. Secondly is to sell via affiliates. Hopefully you will be in touch and base with people in your particular niche via Facebook groups, Instagram, blogs, etc. So you will have made some contact. Offer them the opportunity to sell your products for a minimum of 50% commission, and you're tapping into the market straight away. It's a very, very easy way of getting sales. The third way, which is a new way for me, is to sell via Amazon Kindle. I like this, and it's something I'm pursuing quite vigorously. So fingers crossed. And it's one that I'm going to do with the product that I developed this week. I'm trying to get that onto Amazon Kindle. So I'll let you know how that goes. And fourthly is to give away your product and monetize with affiliate offers and links, etc. You can get people on a mailing list, often the first 2 or 3 modules for free, and then they want to carry on. Then obviously they need to buy the product. That's one way of doing it. If you want to do it completely free, then you can just add the affiliate links into your information product. Don't add any Amazon links in there. You'll get your account banned like that. And the 5th one, which I was kind of a user of last year, I was in a group where I was exposed to this as a customer, was to offer a product as a beta product. And as the process goes along, people are testing it, telling you what's good and what's bad about it. So you offer the product at a huge discount to these people. And I suppose really it needs to be a more expansive product, but it's got mileage anyway, even for the smaller products probably. And then when you get to the end of the beta test, you've got a honed product, all the glitches ironed out, hopefully, and you've got a group of people who give you testimonials and advocates of your products, and hopefully maybe as well some affiliates. So that's it, guys. That's the process wrapped up. I hope that we've all got our hands dirty with Nichesss this week and we've become more skilled and more confident. And that's was the main thrust of this 7-day project, to actually start learning to use Nichesss properly. It was for me. I'm not an expert. I'm still learning, and I hope you guys have learned with me some little tips and tricks. If there's anything that you've learned that we haven't covered, please share. It'd be great. And I think what I'll do is I'll take this Facebook group down maybe midweek. So give people a chance to catch up on anything they've missed, and then we'll put it to bed and move on. Okay, guys, have a brilliant Valentine's Day. If you watch it after Valentine's Day, I hope you had a brilliant Valentine's Day. And take care, have fun, and I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.